the main thing, the customer first complaint was a misfire and the check engine light was flashing. That's telltale for that. Now, it's got 6 cylinders. How do you figure out which cylinder is misfiring? Is it really misfiring? Is it misfiring because of ignition, fuel, compression, any of the 3? So we took a look at it and we took the scan tool. All right, you'll be able to tell. All right, now you tell me which cylinders have misfires. That one and that one. 3 and 6, okay? I don't mean to be weird, but you know, so that's that. So you can make it a graph too. So there's cylinder 1, cylinder 2 is fine. Cylinder 3 at the moment is fine, but wait till it idles down. Look at that. It gets all nutty. That's bad. Then you go to cylinder 6, continuous misfires. And then it stops for a second and then it'll pick it up again. Well, that's step 1.